BinMaster Dust Alert DD3000. With the DD3000 Dust Alert, BinMaster brings a sense of simplicity to customers seeking basic operation and single-point particulate monitoring. Designed to save time, reduce maintenance, and prevent emissions and downtime, the DD3000 is ideal for baghouse leak detection when installed in stacks, ducts, or pipes. The DD3000 uses integrated electronics and sensing probe alerts when dust emissions exceed a preset point programmed inside the lid of the unit. It uses accurate induction technology to detect particles flowing past and over a sensing probe. Two dust alert models are offered. One has alarm relay outputs and the other features a 420 milliamp transmitter. Both include the particulate sensing probe and integrated electronics. Proactive dust alarms pay off. Dust alarms improve productivity by automatically alerting employees to issues, saving time on manual inspections. They can be configured to turn off a process immediately when dust levels exceed a preset standard. They provide an early warning of baghouse leaks, aiding in preventative maintenance and reducing unscheduled shutdowns. The DD3000 is appropriate for many industries, including cement, mining, asphalt, chemicals, wood, and food. The Dust Alert offers affordable value and a fast return on your investment. Contact BinMaster to learn more about this reliable, simple, and sensible sensor.